Hey everyone, so I got my Wet n Wild and some Physicians formula. So I really don't want to buy mascaras anymore. But I want to try this butter bronzer. I love their rose one. And the Cloud Pout, they only had half of them available at Ulta, but they had the 3 that I wanted, and this is the red one. Don't sugarcoat it. I got an eyebrow pencil. I got an eyebrow gel. Alright. Their new concealer in light medium. Because this Hispanic chick, it looks like a white girl sometimes. And then I got the March to My Mallow. It's like a plummy color. My hand's sensitive today. And then the wine. What's this one called? Something. I'm on Cloud Wine. So got that. I got the green bait. They had a yellow and like a pink clear one, but the pink was not available and it was clear. But I got this one is green. I have a lot of red in my skin, especially in the winter. They have a tint. This is supposedly light medium too. I hope it matches. All right. Then I got the spray. It's a setting spray. And then they had the 4 shadows, big ones, and 4 of the small ones, and plus the other 2. And so here is they didn't have the 6. Hold on, be right back. So I got these 2 at Walmart. And then I got these from Ulta. Surprisingly, one of these has a glitter. One of these has a glitter. That one, which is camo florins. And here are the 4 10 pans. And of course they did Nude Awakening for like the 3rd or 4th time already, but you got this warm palette, you got this pretty pink palette, and this looks like more of a smoky palette. So they did Walking on Eggshells palette. The other 4 are, my camera's about to die. I forgot to recharge it after yesterday. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.